Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up NK Tunnel VPN application in all networks and in all countries. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. If you get any problem, just go to the comment section. I'll be available to answer any forms of questions. So let me start up today's tutorial by opening Google Play Store, and then I download the VPN application I'm talking about. I'm going to search NK Tunnel VPN application and then install this application on mobile device, and then after installing it, I'm going to open it. So guys, this tutorial is for educational and information purposes only, so make sure to comply with the local laws, follow your networker service providers terms and conditions. So let us continue with our tutorial. Let us come right here. Alright, you're going to pick setting this VPN one-on-one. You're going to go right there in the top corner, and then we are going to check for the updates. Then we're going to wait for a few moments until we see this message that no updates are available. And then you're going to come right here. I have the auto server. This is what you're going to be doing. Click the auto server and choose a server that is near to your country's location. For example, you have Ethio Telecom, you have Pakistan, you have global server, we have global server, but choose a server that is near to your country's location. So I recommend my viewers to choose the auto select server, this one, for an optimized performance in all countries. Choose the auto server, and then this is what we're going to be doing next. Let us come right here. I have the networks right here, and then after you're going to search the network. So guys, you can peruse through these networks and choose your country's network. As you see, all networks from countries are available, but you have the one that works in all countries. Have those networks in all countries. You can peruse through, but I'm going to be recommending a type of network. Let us all come and gather right here in the search bar. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So we're going to search it deeply, and then we shall be having this an Airtel DP, but we don't need that. We need all countries. Let us search all countries. Have this one, and this one it is an SSL, and check that one. Make sure you have an eSIM, and then you'll be connecting on this one. As you see, the VPN application has connected successfully. We are just waiting to check up the internet speed. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. I sign out.